In this video, you will get to know how to use Shadowrocket on your iPhone, bring all these nodes and subscribe yourself rather than paying to an agent. On your iPhone, if you're using this Shadowrocket, that's okay because it will need your Apple ID out of China and the payment for this app is $2. Maybe you don't have payment option, so you can use alternatively 𝑺𝒐𝒄𝒊𝒂. This app also offers these kind of nodes, so you can import all these nodes in this app as well. To use this app, you just need to go to your Apple Store and in search box you just need to type �v2ray. Here is the app and it works same like Shadowrocket. Just continue the app and here you can go to configure and import the nodes. So here's the web link. You just need to go to the description of this video and there you will find this link. I'm gonna copy this link and go to Safari now, paste this link and register with your email, then log in. Once you log in, you will see all these details here. That's my dashboard. Click on these top three dots, then click on this option. This is the shop option. You will see all the packages. So click on these dots if you're using Safari browser and go to translate and all this page will be translated. This is 98 yuan for a year, and don't worry, I'm gonna give you a coupon code that will give you 20% discount on any of these packages. Choose any package you like, for example this 100 yuan, and there is no limit. I mean, you can use it on multiple devices and up to 500 GB every month. Every month price is 100 yuan. There are multiple. I'm just giving you an example. After selecting, choose the months for subscription and then choose payment methods. There are two payment methods, Alipay and WeChat. I'm gonna select Alipay and here is the actual deal. You see the price for 1 year is 717 and here you can use my coupon code. Just go to the coupon code and type here 𝒆𝒂𝒊𝒂. Verify coupon code. Voila. Now you can get the same package in 525. This coupon code will be for all the packages shown on this website. For example, you want to change to this one, you can use to this one. You want to change to this package, it will be changed to this package. This discount, right? My coupon code gives you 20% discount on any of the packages here. Once you subscribe, go to home page, scroll all the way down and here you will find the links for all the apps. Here you can simply import by clicking this one because you are already on the phone, or simply copy �v2ray. Let's say I'm gonna copy for �v2ray. It's copied. Now go to home, open �v2ray app and it's already pasted here. Look at this one. That's very simple. You wanna remove, just remove, go to plus icon, import from clipboard, and here we go. Got it. Now we can connect this one here. Simply go back to Safari and here is one click to import Shadowrocket's configuration. Click on that and open. Now it asks you to allow paste. Look, this one is imported now because I already had imported this one to my phone and it is already connected. Here you can go for the connectivity test and all the nodes are working. This same one is imported here. I simply gonna go to info, scroll down and delete this. I also wanna delete this one. Scroll down, delete. And now I wanna keep this subscription and go to connectivity, it will be alright. Now I can select any server. The lowest value is the better one. Are normally not timed out, but now it's showing. Just go connect. Now go to YouTube, let's say. Alright, everything is working perfectly fine. If I show you my VPN, that is connected here. So get the discount, link is in the description and enjoy internet. See you in the next one. Bye bye.